We use the highest levels of encryption standards, the ones used by Signal, and it's soon to be decentralized. So the people are going to be able to run the nodes, right? So if you have Coinbase Wallet, you can, if you scan this QR code, it's going to allow you to send a message to my wallet, to my personal wallet, right? And it's going to be as easy as that. You have a messaging tab in Coinbase Wallet, and this is the first time that you're going to be able to send a message from a wallet to another wallet. I'm going to allow for 5 seconds. So Coinbase has integrated XMTP into their messaging experience. More wallets are coming. And we also have other apps on the ecosystem, more similar, like maybe like a WhatsApp or like a Telegram, called Converse. And then we have social media apps, which I'm going to show now in the following slides. If you don't have the Coinbase wallet, this is going to be able to download from the App Store, and you will have to create a wallet with your seed phrase, and so on. Again, this is my Fabri Guespe.cv.id, is my identity on Coinbase. Okay, so this is how an interoperable inbox looks like, right? We have Coinbase Wallet on the left. We have Converse, one of the flagship apps of the ecosystem. Again, it's like a Telegram, like a WhatsApp. And then we have Lenster, now called Hey, and they are a social media, but they have embedded into their experience wallet messaging. So you can talk to your followers can talk to you. What else is part of the XMTP ecosystem? It's not just about messaging. So you can think of XMTP as part of a marketing flow, an automation flow for an automation logic. So now, because wallets are reachable, the endpoint of any flow can be a wallet. So now you can reach wallets on the wallet owners if they are using one of these clients. So in this example, this is a CRM tool, and part of the automation marketing ends with a message to your wallet. Coinbase is also using XMTP for their marketing campaigns. In this case, this is on-chain summer. So you subscribe, you give consent on their website, and after that they can send you marketing messages to your wallet, whom you would have given consent. Or a mobile app similar to Lenster but on mobile. Again, this is a social media app for Web3 based on Lens protocol, and they allow creators to talk to their audiences to talk to creators, to their followers, talk with communities, maybe people who have the same NFTs. Everything is embedded into the social experience through messaging. Automation, you can create bots on top of XMTP, powered by GPT, of course. For example, this is in the hackathons. We are running this experiment with what we call the crypto corner store. So if you're a hacker and you may need coffee, deodorant, toothbrush, you can order to our booth in the hackathon, and we are going to deliver it to you, even to your table. So this is working very well for onboarding people to XMTP. You can even send test if you need testnet funds while you're hacking. Again, Coinbase, for example, allows you to send USDC through the messaging experience. I can send you money through the chat, as simple as that, because you already have the signed wallet, so you don't even have to sign. Snapshot has integrated XMTP, so now if you're a member of the DAO, you're going to receive voting proposals, notifications about voting results, and again, this wouldn't be possible if you weren't part of the XMTP network. If not, you have to go to the website and check periodically, or maybe you have to follow them on Twitter, but now they can reach you to your wallet. Converse, again, aside from being a messaging app, they have, for example, they're experimenting with this matchmaking dynamic, where you can, based on your on-chain activity, allows you to match with people with the same votes, the same tokens, the same NFTs, and because they are part of the XMTP network, you can message them instantly. So this is all that you need to know in terms of code about XMTP. This is the JavaScript SDK. So you need a wallet, right? In this case, we are using a random one, but this could be a MetaMask login, Coinbase login, any wallet that you use on Web3. Then you add the wallet you create the client on the XMTP network. The first time you're going to be part of the network. If you're not part of the network, you cannot receive messages. Once you are on the network, you are going to be able to send and receive messages. Then, of course, you can create new conversations, create new messages, and listen for new conversations and messages, what we call streams. This is a live code example, which today I don't have the time to show. If you want to scan it, this is going to take you to a Rapid with a live code showing this example on the right. Again, first step to import the libraries. Second step to use the wallet, in this case creating a random wallet with ethers. First step, create a client. Creating a client with XMTP network is the thing that is going to allow you to load your conversations, use your private key from encryption and decryption. Later you want to check if the address you want to send a message is part of the network, because if not, it's going to give you an error. So first you need to check if the wallet is part of the XMTP network. After that, you're going to be able to create a new conversation, and then of course send a GM message without problem. So what we are working on right now, the upcoming version of the protocol is called Be Free. We are really pushing hard to launch group chats. Group chats is a priority for the users or for the people from the ecosystem. Imagine group chats is going to allow you to connect with people with the same tokens, create really native Web3 experiences through chat. And this is a challenge in terms of encryption, so we are experimenting with what we call double ratchet and MLS, which is very complicated in terms of encryption, but basically for creating a group chat, you cannot rely on the same pair of keys, so you need keys to rotate, and that's the challenge, and that's what we're trying to build with XMTP. Then we are working on decentralization, so ideally in a year from now, we want to launch a token, tokenomics, make the network centralized. Right now, we are running the nodes. They are running on an Amazon cloud service, and we use traditional databases because you cannot put every message on chain, but with time, more parts of the system are going to be decentralized and on-chain. If you want to start with XMTP, I recommend you to go to the docs, docs.xmtp.org, and we have SDKs in all the main languages like JavaScript, React hooks. We also have native iOS and Android, and React Native. That was XMTP. Thank you for listening, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Yeah. Yes.
What would be the requirement to run a node in XMTP?
The requirements, right now, you can run one on testnet, so it's not on production. The code is open source. Everything that I show you is open source, even the node repos. The experimental new nodes that are going to be soon decentralized you can start them right now on testnet. Yeah, they're available.
And in mainnet, all nodes are from XMTP so far.
Yeah, we just started work, so let's say 12 months. Yeah, but it's going to be a challenge, so many questions still. Yeah.
Awesome.
I have one question. Also looking into Raccoon as well. The privacy communication protocol. Is there any overlapping between XMTP and Raccoon on the infrastructure layer?
We actually use Waku for the communication between the nodes. So the orchestration between the nodes is provided by Waku. So I think we are very compatible with Waku, but let's say we sit on top of Waku. So we try to bring this decentralized network and economics for messaging. Because if you want to make messaging, let's say, sustainable, somebody has to pay for the messages, right? So one of the ideas that we have as a business model for the network is that marketers are going to pay for the network. So messaging is going to be free for one-on-ones, but then maybe the clients are going to pay a fee. All marketers who want to reach more people on the network are going to pay per message.